My people, my people, I just watched this video when I'm about to watch now. I watch am for my sister Nkechi Cynthia. Na there for watch am. My people, e pain me sha. When I watch the video, I no even know wetin I go talk. Na heart broke. I wan drop my own opinion and I wan use this my video to send message to anybody wey wear this shoe. Anybody at all, you wear that shoe when that lady wear, you see as e fall for ground, she dey cry. No, no, it's in fact e no good, e no good at all. Let's watch before I drop my opinion.
Here, right here. Arrived here thinking I'm gonna get a house, a two-story building, and this is what I've got. What am I gonna do? After several 40 some years in America, and I've been saving all kinds of money just for building a house and sending it to Obina. This crooked brother of mine, Obina. This is what I have. Y'all see that? We got the house sinking house. That's what this guy's got me. This is supposed to be a two-story building. Two-story building. What the heck? Y'all should look at it. Look at the gutter. Look at the water. Look at all over the place. Jehovah. What the heck is this? Y'all don't understand. You sit down and you work 3 jobs in America. Just work 3 jobs. You got to take care of your brother. You got to take care of your brothers and sisters. You got to take care of your nuclear family. Then you have to take care of your parents. You have to take care of all. And above all, then you save. You go into take all kinds of loans. And then this is what I've got. I have not. I trusted my brother. And I've been asking my parents, are you sure? Are you sure this little boy or this will be nice taking care of my stuff? And my parents said yes. They never came. They also trusted Obina. Like, I was just look at it. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. What am I going to do? Oh my God. Just look at it. Oh.
My people, I hope una don hear because I no fit lis ten to the thing. They make me dey emotion. Abroad not really easy. People when in Africa, abroad, e no really easy. Now, sister go pass inside cold, pass inside snow, go walk. Some dey walk for inside. You dey pass inside snow. Then inside snow, you still go inside cold room, go dey walk for there. Some people are like that. They will go dey walk for where they go dey do meat, fish. At the end, they will work the money finish. Carry am come. They will tell you, say, my brother, do this thing for me. Now go, now no even it is well. It's real well. All those kind people. If you come strong, we say, oh, let me help them. Carry them come there abroad, make them come sing. Hey, immediately you carry them come. They know now that the worst pass. They don't even send their own. They don't even send anybody back home. They don't even send their mother. They don't even send their father. They don't even send their parents. Now their own, they will just fix. Those kind of people, when they do those things, when they sabi lavish their sister money, their brother money, once you, in fact, you strong go, carry them come, now that they do the worst part. Your own sister, 47 years, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe they say stay for her brother, be? I don't can remember how many years. This lady, they work. If they send you money, if they say build a house, wait for me. You don't even care. Don't even work for the Nigeria when you dey easy talk of abroad. Una say they plant tree for back of house. They no dey plant tree for back of house at all. They no dey plant tree. Now work abroad, work na even hard part. Their cold no good. Their sun no good. They no born us for here. Now see our weather na still good for us, but because of say hustle struggle, the kind background wey for come out. If you dey think of house, you go say no. Wetin I don get, abeg me I hustle. At the end, that kind of your sister go hustle finish. You chop am, you clean am. Some they go dey build their own, they will set their own. So you go say make they build your own. They go dey divide the money into 2 parts. Parents now they wan redo this video for. If na they alive, una child for abroad. I know some parents say they do am, but e no really common. Una pikin for abroad wan build house. I beg, no na dey wake up. No, na dey let their brother, their siblings spoil the money finish before now come wake up. At the end, the house will still dey there. You go dey the woman neck, go dey the person neck. Person go dey see where the mama dey stay, where papa dey stay. You go dey bleed for where he dey. Though undermine, he don already send all those money come make dem take do the house for now. But when the person go look the environment when she or he dey stay, he go look environment where her mom or her father dey stay, she go dey bleed. Though he don send that money because na neglect am, na just comot eye. Make una son, make una daughter scatter am. Go use am do you. My people, how many person go fit talk? That's why I go put am. My sister, the advice wey I go give any of my sister wey wear that shoe, you don do your part. That property, if na me, sell am. As far as say your parents get where dem dey stay, sell the property, carry your money put for bank, dey work join am. Thank God now say you go Nigeria, open bank, you dey save. When you wan relocate go Nigeria, you fit buy house. Buying house don dey now. You buy house, and if you still dey out there, you be person wey your parents no get house, or maybe the place where your parents locate to, house no dey there, you try to build house, one of your brother frustrate you, for it to come, abeg, your happiness first. Anybody wey go say, hey, see house, no mind dem o, na you wear the shoe, na you no wear the shoe for dey pain you. I think this my video na many shape na I dey put am. Leave there. If God still bless you again, you wan come do. If na your mom, you send her to am. If you send her to your son or to your daughter, you know by yourself manage am, na so you take dey o. This one, manage am. I believe say that your mother, you go come know how to manage am. Some people dey, they wan build house, their mother will give the house to their son. Their son will chop the money. After the son don chop the money, before their mama or their papa eye don open, money no dey again. Some people send money like that one wey I first do. I will tag the video when the lady cry out. She wan go Nigeria. The parents say make she never come because she never build house. When she dey suffer, they send money come give una. Una no even open eye to help una daughter build. Na give am to una son. Una son dey use her dey carry different women. They go beer parlour. They flex the life. They go. Una no know the suffer when the una daughter dey suffer for abroad. My people, when we dey abroad, it's time for us to get sense. Because many of us wey come this abroad, we know how our family dey, we know how we take leave our parents back home, we know how we take leave our siblings. You enter abroad, me no go school, my siblings must go. I know how my family be. You go strong, go try make your family dey stable. At the end, some go dey frustrate you for inside. Your happiness first. Make you get your own family, because you'll get children tomorrow. Make you still get your own happiness, because those family when you dey fight for, immediately they stand, they will never even know you. They will not even know whether you dey exist. Immediately they stand. Those people when you carry for head, when you dey fight for, if they stand, you not come get, they don't know you. You are nobody today. You are nobody. You know, if they pay me, some people, when you get money at a young age, you know, see person help you manage it. You'll be like, this didn't want go now. You know, still help you manage am. E get where go reach. The money you come dey get as e be, you come dey regret. It's good. Make your sense as you dey grow, dey come. Make your sense quick follow you. Make you know how to manage your money. You never born. Mostly single girls now they do this thing pass. Single, because na never get anybody na they spend down on money for. My family, my family, my family, my family. At the end, those family when you not get, apart from your parents, some parents still dey, but some parents apart from your parents, now they go dey pity for you, they pray for you day and night. You know, say all those your siblings when you carry sleepless night for cry for, make sure say they stable, they stand. Immediately some of them stand, you are worst enemy to them. Immediately they stand, you are worst enemy to them. The only thing when I go tell, I see they tell myself, they tell you your happiness first. If you see how your family go take do, wetin you go do? If your parents they get house where they stay, the property when you sell am, put the money for account. Wetin I talk? Sell am, put the money for account. Sell am. If God say you get house for Nigeria. But we want they really dey fight for house. See abroad, we want they stay this abroad. Now suffer they suffer for this world. We want really dey this abroad. Now suffer. No, ask me why I say we na suffer. You live Nigeria. You know how you take leave your family. Your youth age, you know, Nigeria. The day when you enter Europe, that day, think of family. You think of your brother when you dey school, your sisters, your brothers, some selves, sister when you don born, brother and grandchildren. You just carry am. You think until you start your own children. Suffer. My people, e pain me. I shed tears with this woman. I bleed with her. Because they say, who not go? No. Any Africa abroad, I hail una. Mostly those who come out from house with red eye. He see family, he shake head, he enter abroad. You understand what I dey talk. And those who get the heart to do for family, at the end you do finish. You don't get again. Nobody even know whether you dey exist. E pain die. But what to do? If God bless you with children, if you see your children, that is the highest blessing God have given you. No worry. Hard when God doing to make that money, e never cut off. God will bless you more again. If God open your way again, second chance, you will know how to manage your money. And if you dey abroad, you dey make your money, you can buy house also for abroad. Now before me, they say, I beg you. And I don't already born family, I don't get my children. If God give me chance, opportunity, that thing, e good. Abroad, buy house in abroad. If you buy and finish today, by 10 years coming, the money don high. Africa will not be like that. Abroad will be like that. Then if you come old, you say you want to locate go your country, you fit sell the house. You fit sell the house. You go use am buy. You dey there, you dey buy your house. So for someone when you don't understand how you take dey struggle, to take dey chop your money, all the name of say my sister, my brother, my cousin, my auntie, just respect yourself. If you still buy the house for abroad, your children say they don't like that city when you dey, dem fit sell am. Yes, dem fit sell am go use am buy for the city when dem desire. My people, it's time for we the abroad people, based abroad people, it's time for us to open our eye. Our family back home, when they suffer that time, they break cane to drink garri. But the moment you enter abroad, they go wise like say their papa na president of the Nigeria, or their papa na the president of the whole Africa. How they'll tell they do self, you go the hail, you go the dombale. But what he come dey there? Suffer when I suffer. At least I don't come out when my family not suffer am. No, some people don't know like that. Some people, they give them money, that time they flex and they loud music. Can't when share not let you buy for Europe to drive. Then for Nigeria, they will drive and they will help me build house. They will buy your land. They'll tell you say amount when they take buy land for you. At the end, no be the money when they take buy land. Everybody for this abroad. If you get property for Africa, you will understand what I try to talk. It pay me, I cry with her. Well, my sister, I send my love for you. Okay? No cry, no breakdown, no kill yourself. Except they deport you. If they don't deport you, many chance dey. Okay, many way dey when you take make am back, many way dey when you take get your sanity back. Go back, open account for Nigeria. If you dey save, if you want save for Nigeria, sell all those property. As I just say, I say sell land. I say sell all those property. No leave am say make they help you sell am. No, as you dey there, look for buyer, sell am, put your money for account, dust your nyash comot. I no ever advise you say make you not take care of your mother. Take care of your mother, take care of your father. Okay, that your siblings na devil na him make use of am. Forgive her and move on. Let her see the life. Yes, na devil use am, but e dey hard to broke, my people. And this one I get to talk. E pay me. I no even I just use the video to rant. Yes, e pay me. E pay me. E pay me. I will cry. E pay me. E pay me because why the thing dey pay me? Una know how una dey before this your sister come on go abroad. Una know how una dey. Una know how people some neighbor go dey mock them. At the end. Na come see the struggle. Na I come fit comot na rent flat for una. Now just to say life finish. Then wetin I call the thing na how to useless that una sister money. I'll meet you in my next video, my people. And this one me get to talk. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.